G'day guys, you're back with MiracleMAX. Today here it's miserable, it's cold and it's wet, but despite that fact we still have to fit a cabin filter. This time it's a Toyota Kluger 2013 model, and I'll show you where it goes. Follow me and I'll show you how it's done.
Fixing man, holding on by a thread. MiracleMAX, saving souls from the dead. Broken trees, shattered lanes where he's led. Engine roar, fight the silence in his head.
Not in a difficult place, just as usual, in behind the glove box in this particular model. I must say it's nice to see a relatively empty glove box. Now to get to it, we need to undo this little catch over the side here. After we've released this catch here, we need to do the usual reach around and shove those things off to the side. I might just get a bit of grief over this side and see how we go. There we go, that one popped. Then of course we push this one out the road as well, get that down, and we get our glove box to come down. There's a little funny panel back here, so if we just pop that out and we can lever that up, hello, there we go. A little bit of access to our cabin filter there and there as per usual, I assume. Look at that, nice. We've got a cabin filter that's been inserted in there. Good to see someone's done it correctly. And let's pull it out. Yeah, it's definitely due for replacement, there's no doubt about that. Alright, so in actual fact it looks like the same brand that I'm fitting. So just make sure we got the same part number. Yes, we do. So that is the part number, that's the correct part number for a Westfield brand. WAC F0040, not a sponsor. But yes, hey, it's good to see someone's been replacing them, but whew, due for replacement. Time for the new cabin filter. Just be aware of the flow direction, and that's because over here we have the fan pulling it down and we need to insert it that way facing down. Oh, there's a bit of a leaf in there, better get rid of that fella. Don't want that in there either. Out you come, bloke. Gotcha. Nice. Alright, so we can insert our cabin filter into place, making sure that it fits nice. Doesn't catch anywhere, that's all good. Well done. Okay, then we just pop our filter cover back into place. Should clip in both sides, clip 1 and clip 2. Then we pop down that little covery looking thing there and there. We slide this back into place, the glove box, making sure that each side goes in. Don't forget that little leg that comes down here. Make sure that that is put into place as well. You might have to stretch it a bit, hey? There we go, put him into place, job is done. Another very brief video, guys, instructing you on how to fit a cabin filter in a Toyota Kluger 2013 model. It's freezing here, I'm going to go and put my jumper on, get back to work, finish the service. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and feel free to comment down below. Hey, I better get back into this. So until next time, guys, this is MiracleMAX signing off. I will catch you later.